President Tito Soto and 4 other senators from the minority bloc have filed a resolution urging Senator Bato de la Rosa to surrender to authorities. The resolution was co-sponsored by Senators Ping Lacson, Kiko Pangilinan, Rizzo Ontiveros, and Bam Aquino. De la Rosa is currently staying at his Senate office after the International Criminal Court confirmed that it had issued the arrest warrant against him. The resolution cited previous instances of voluntary surrender and judicial submission involving former senators who also faced charges and arrest, including Juan Ponce Enrile, Laila de Lima, and Sonny Trillanes. Senator Bato reiterated that he is willing to face the charges against him, but only before a Philippine court. Meanwhile, Malacanang said all accused individuals would be treated equally and in accordance with the law.
Maski naman po yung mga EJK victims ay humihingi rin po ng proteksyon sa gobyerno. So, ang akusadong katulad ni Senator Bato ay humingi ng proteksyon. Lahat naman po ay bibigyan ng proteksyon na naaayon sa batas.
Palace Press Officer Claire Castro also dismissed De La Rosa's statement that President Marcos could face charges or arrest after leaving office.
Sana tinanong niyo muna kung anong kaso. Kasi kung pag-uusapan natin kung madadala siya sa dahig, that's definitely impossible. Kasi ang Pangulo ay hindi nag-commit ng EJK.
In an interview with News 5's Frontline Pilipinas, De La Rosa said he has no regrets about returning to the Senate.
May pagsisisi ba na nagpakita ka at bumalik kayo sa Senado?
Wala akong pagsisisi. Desisyon ko yun eh. Ang pinagsisihan ko ngayon kung bakit ako masyadong matapat sa aking tungkulin from day one of my military and police service. Bakit ako nagtrabaho ng gusto? Yun rin pala. At the end of the day, mamalasing ka lang rin pala sa yung tapat na pagsisilbi ng bayan.
The senator added that he returned to the Senate to participate in key votes on leadership changes and impeachment-related matters. Kapatid Mobile Journal Julie Baiza, We're One News.